If you work on a computer all day long and want to reply to WhatsApp messages without constantly picking up your phone, WhatsApp Web makes it easy for you. You can send files, chat all day long using it. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to use it in your PC or laptop. Let's get started. So for that, we are going to a browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser. And just in the search bar, write WhatsApp Web. Now you will just open the first link here, which is named as WhatsApp Web. Let's click on it. And it would take some time, and this interface will pop up in front of you. Now there are two options. Either you can log in with your QR code or you can log in with your phone number. For a QR code, what you need to do is you need to open WhatsApp app on your phone, and there is a 3 dot at the very top right in the app. If you click on it, you would see an option which is named as linked devices. If you click on linked devices, then there is another button which is link a device. If you click on link a device, your camera will automatically open up in your phone, and with that camera, if you just scan the QR code, then you would instantly get logged in to your WhatsApp account. But for this demonstration, we are using a phone number approach. So if I click on login with phone number, it would ask for my phone number. So I'm typing my phone number here, and then I'm going to click on next. So if you just open your WhatsApp app, then you would see that it would have asked for a code, and if you just paste this code in front of the screen, you can just see it. Yes, as I have just pressed my code there, it's loading my chats, and after a few times, yes, as you can see, I have logged into my account. So if I click on continue, here are all my chats, and if I just go into one of my chats, I can just type here, hey. And this is how you can use your WhatsApp account in WhatsApp Web. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.